In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile foreign currency bills in Xero 5 minutes. We'll walk through matching a bank payment to the correct bill in another currency, adding any exchange-related bank fee, and confirming everything balances so your accounts stay accurate and clean. First, sign into Xero, make sure you're in the right organization and that your bank feeds have imported the latest transactions. That way, the payment you need will be visible on the reconciliation screen. Next, open the accounting menu and choose Bank Accounts. Find the bank account that's in the same currency as the payment you received or sent. The currency and balance shown beside the account help you confirm you've got the right one. Click Reconcile to open the list of bank statement lines. Locate the statement line for the supplier payment you're reconciling. Check the date, currency, and amount against your bank. When you've got the right line, select Find and Match. This opens the matching panel where you'll connect the payment with the bill. Search for the unpaid foreign currency bill by the supplier's name, the bill reference, or the bill amount. If nothing appears, clear filters and confirm the bill is awaiting payment and is issued in the same currency as the bank account. When you see the bill, tick its checkbox. Xero calculates the match, and if the bank's exchange rate differs from the original bill rate, it automatically records the realized gain or loss for you. Review the amount so the match reflects the bank line correctly and avoid adding extra lines unless you're recording a genuine fee. If the bank charged a currency exchange fee, click Adjustments, choose Bank Fee, and enter the details exactly as they appear on the statement. Select the appropriate expense account for bank fees. Set the correct tax treatment for your region and add a short description for clarity. The fee should be in the currency of the bank account, and the total after adding it should still reconcile to the statement line. Check the summary at the bottom of the matching panel. The total selected plus any fee should equal the bank statement line, and the difference should be zero. When everything looks right, click Reconcile to complete the process. You've now reconciled a foreign currency bill against a real bank payment. The bill moves to paid, the exchange effects are posted automatically, and your bank feed stays in sync. For best results, always match payments to existing bills rather than creating new spend money items, and keep your bank feeds and bill statuses up to date.